freestyle. They don't want freestyle.
We have to come. Pata. Hey. Do you have a woman? Hey. Bra. Zaga. Man, I calm down, man. Yeah. How you do, man? Why I want? Why I say, man? AKA Patoranke, man. Me, them call me Ned. This one landlord daughter. This one landlord daughter. That one feature they call it, never call me easy, baby.
Boka.
Let me cut what they do here now. You're welcome to the night show, man. Pan the beat. Zaga. Pan the backyard. Play solo. Pan the backyard. Big champagne, big bam. Pan the backyard.
Bandy Ghana must go top.
But Ghana must go top.
It be like him.
Pan the backyard. Bash the cute one.
Pan the
Pan the
inside.
show today.
Pan the castle. You don't say
Pan the castle now.
Feminko.
Pan the Femi backyard. Pan the gas. Pan the show today.
Yo.
Pan the affair. Pan the gas show now.
Pan the gas, Daniel.
Pan the gas.
Yes.
AKA man the man.
Daniel.
Hey, man a Daniel, man a Effiong, man. Me have to go for break now, man. When we come back, pan the show.
Zaga.
I am on it.
Drop, man.
I know, yeah. Good evening and welcome on top of the show for today. My name is Nadedo Scuff, me, Katim, and Easy Beat. And I Scuff our guest today. This guy, they say, this one, Easy Beat, this one, our landlord daughter. And I Scuff, this guy, same market for Sanifa from what before.
Okay.
My
But
brother.
thank God!
Hey.
God delivered him.
Amen.
God delivered him.
Hallelujah.
He was in, what if that place where they do, apart from Sanifa from where, go another place.
That's easy.
Easy, that you they go. That place is where you they go. Keselo, that place where you they go. What if it is there?
Keselo, no.
Keselo, help us, give us information.
It's Allen Avenue.
Allen Avenue. Allen Avenue. Allen Avenue. Anyway, we'll get Daniel Effiong for Inside Studio. Welcome, Daniel. Welcome.
On a Friday, baby.
On a Friday, baby. Turn this up, turn down.
Yes.
Somebody say live and not on him. Just live and where he did.
Not on anyway.
Please, tomorrow na pasaya you buy the.
Tomorrow na pasaya you buy the. Those of you when they say get pasaya in number, Instagram. Wish
I
it.
beg you.
Wish him.
Also wish it.
Wishing him happy birthday. In Instagram time, in case you don't aware, at I am Ihanye, the same thing for Twitter. Make you wish him happy birthday. Make him know, say, all of them for Star Times, for Go TV, for America, for Tanganyika, for China. All of them get them for mine.
For Vietnam, for Israel.
For Vietnam. Now, before we continue with the Effiong, I beg, watch this picture.
Yes.
How deep is your love? Let us see that picture. Show them now. How deep?
Let's show them.
Show them.
Yes.
Please. Now.
How deep is your love?
Show them the picture now. How deep is? Can you carry a girl like this? That is it. Can you carry a girl like this?
No, this is mommy water.
Dear Nigerian guys, how many of you can carry your girlfriends like this? My brother.
To show your love.
How many Nigerian girls? You never carry Nigerian girls. Nigerian girls when they chop akpu. In the morning they go work out chop akpu. In the afternoon.
Please, I don't use to chop akpu. Please,
to drag
please.
Not to drag. Nigerian girls. No. Nigerian girls na forklift you need. That thing when they carry load.
I don't know that I'm
so
allowed
you are saying that.
I feel laugh at
My brother, laugh.
I'm not very sure. I'm not very sure at all.
Nigerian girls na forklift. Some of them. Some of them they spoil the forklift self.
So you're saying that you will not fit carry me as I did, so or is it not fit carry me? I need forklift as I did, so
one of my friends visited me one day, and a girl. I called her say, I won't carry him. She just looked at me and say, don't try it. I said, I will carry you. She said, don't try yourself. You can't. I said, okay. I'll carry him. And I said, I didn't go down. I don't believe that.
You don't know to say you didn't go.
I didn't go down. She gotta say, I told you.
You're not rich now. You're not rich. That means say you're not rich.
But you don't have.
When rich, feed them.
How many you don't carry? How many you don't carry?
It's I don't implicate this.
They never implicate themselves. Men were rich. So you don't, how many you don't carry? You were rich. How many you don't carry?
In a forklift.
You don't get a forklift on
Only one, the forklift.
Anyway, another today again before we face Daniel. They say woman tie juju to NEPA pole for Benin City. So that NEPA. No, come cut lights, yeah. But my brother, if you be the NEPA guy, how you want to take the cut lights for you?
You look for them of the house.
You go shock. NEPA people go carry waka come here. Carry chalk. Spread. But juju can fool your state too.
Where did you know that?
No, but juju
my
fool
brother.
those of no gonna verse, those no juju people no gonna verse. We hail you now.
But we just know
We just know say una dey try. We dey see una hand up everywhere.
nothing compares.
Nothing compares to
my brother. Nothing compares.
Anyway, we can watch small videos of Daniel Effiong. When we come back, we go face Daniel Effiong, ask a different question. Meanwhile, in they very single. Those of girls who never marry, we look for wife for her.
Yes.
What is your portfolio?
What's your manifesto?
What do you hash?
Yes.
Now, Daniel, before we watch your videos, I beg tell them which kind of woman you they look for.
Yes.
Me, I not to get spec.
Okay.
Fit,
You know,
yes. I go with tall girls or short girls, fat girls.
No, but what is a must have? Is it the Lasabia Redus or the...
Wait, machine have a Lasabia Redus or
Kalama Bush?
Which
Yes.
one?
Anyone. I'm not very
brother, I don't
picky.
say
Anyone, my brother
You be
and
Shakara,
sister.
Shakara,
Anyone.
Shakara?
I dey collect all.
Okay, Shapali,
Please.
please come. You go bring somebody. May tell us whether you go fit. Shapali, please come. We get what we want because we go tell you, make you make up your mind.
Okay.
Whether you go fit marry her. If you not fit marry her, then we go take calls from other people. Please bring Shapali. So Shapali is coming. So what we go do say once she come, she go catwalk, go front and back. Then you go begin the thinker.
Please play music.
Play music.
Sweet soft music.
Play music. Shapali, please catwalk. Catwalk, go front.
So, you know, we need to know.
So keep on for what do you think? Keep on for mind. Why we take other calls? May we know which one you want to go for.
Yes.
When they come back, make we watch some videos of Daniel Effiong. I'm going to come back. We can begin take on our phone calls. Those of the way one money eats. Him, sorry. And other things when they come back.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.